Due to that, we have undertaken these and distributed food items, including rice, cooking oil, wheat flour, and some detergents for 30 household members of this society. If you see these people here, some of them they cannot afford even 3 meals in a day, and that is the create a simple community-based approach